Hello, this is Mike's Mac Tips, and today's video is going to show you how to make a YouTube short video in iMovie without having to do any flipping or exporting. First thing you do is open up iMovie, comes to the projects page. You don't want to click create new. That will create a normal 1920 by 1080 aspect ratio. We want to go to File, New App Preview, and it says this feature lets developers create app previews for the App Store using titles and graphics designed to showcase their apps. But what it actually does is allows you to make movies in any aspect ratio you want. So we're going to do that. First thing we're doing is going to import the media that we want to use. I've got this Getty image video that I want to import. And I also have a Brooks Koepka video and a video of me swinging the golf club. So these three videos, whatever one I bring in first, so if I bring in this Getty stock image, this comes in, if you check the settings, this comes in at 1334 by 750. That's not the aspect ratio we want. So everything that we bring in after that would come in with the black bars on the side of the screen. We don't want that. So I want to bring in the aspect ratio that's needed, which is this was filmed on my iPhone, and I go to settings, and you notice this is 1080 by 1920, exactly what we want. So now I can bring in this stock video because this is the one that I want to clip, and you'll notice that because it set it up, it's now perfect in what we can do. And now we can delete the first video, and now we have the stock image. And if you need to adjust where it's cropped, you can move the box, you can make it fit whatever you want, but I'm going to move it because it's got the right aspect ratio, and then click the blue check mark. And now we have a video that when it's exported, it will be a perfect YouTube short size in the 1080 by 1920. So remember, when doing this, whatever size video you bring in first into iMovie is the video that the aspect ratio. So if you bring in the full size landscape ratio of 1334 750, it usually will say 1920 by 1080 there. That will be whatever video you bring in after. So it will immediately put the black bars on the side that you don't want, where if you bring in the proper size video first, then you bring in any video after that, it will make it so your video will look exactly how you want for a great YouTube short. From here, you just share the video, share the file, and then you can upload it to your YouTube channel and get your short on the board. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want more Mac tips, subscribe and like, and feel free to comment for things you want to learn about.